Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Yes, today's topic which I have chosen for you is epilepsy. Some few facts about this epilepsy and then we proceed further. To operate different functions of body from our brain continuously emits electrical impulses. For any reason, if these impulses emits extremely, the person feels jerks, and if these jerks occurs or remains continuously any person and not noticing this and for not taking medicines for months or years, and then its treatments may continue for life. Or it seems that some kinds of fits are also likewise that you may take lifelong medicines. So don't assume this as the effect of any supernatural creature or jinns. Epilepsy or epileptic fits are not only these that in which person falls on ground, but at some times patients suddenly becomes quiet and calm and confused, and if children he stares at one place. This is also kind of the fits. At one estimation, out of 100 persons, one person can develop fits of brain. So at present you can say that in our Pakistan there are 20 lakh persons are involved in this disease. Out of 100, 75% can be treated at a satisfactory level, and in 25% cases the severity of these fits can be minimized. If in life one person out of 10 can develop these fits, but treatment will be initiated if he had 2 or more times seizures. This disease can happen at any stage of life. Every year at 26th of March is celebrated as World Epilepsy Day. There are 4 types of the seizures. Tonic-clonic seizures. In these the patient falls on ground and body becomes stiff. Before fall, patient screams all of a sudden and becomes injurious, voids his urine and froth from his mouth. These fits occur so many times in a day, or maybe at some intervals of weeks, months or years. These can occur during sitting, standing or driving, or even at the sleeping. In one kind of seizures, this can be noticed as a child becomes quiet for a few seconds during reading their lessons, and these fits can occur so many times in a day. And with the proper treatment at the age of 12 to 14 years, patient can be cured completely. And the other kind of patient remains not in conscious level nor unconscious, but without any reason wandering hither and thither and doing strange movements and activities, making some miniatures and in other kind, and all of a sudden his one arm or leg becomes numb and patient feels electric like currents and jerks in arm and or in hands, and if he taking any tea, its plates may fall on ground. Yes, every fit cannot be epileptic fit, but this can be hysterical fits which usually occurs in young females. Now we are coming on the causes of this disease. Most of the causes are as follows: that some are hereditary, idiopathic, or following meningitis, head injury, brain tumor, CVA, electrolyte imbalance, alcohol use so many times in a day, or excess use of alcohol. Some exacerbating events are also there. Then it means that disease is already there, but if these conditions happens to that person, like tiredness, waking up late night, depression, high grade fever, hypoglycemia, physical exertion, and viewing high and imbalanced light like computer or video games, and not taking prescribe medicine on times, and these events can also exacerbate the already existing this disease. And this disease is not an untreatable disease, but this treatment may continue for 3 to 5 years. Viewers also note that in children from birth to 3 years of age, during their excess crying, there are breath holding attacks, and these are not epileptic fits, but they are due to some weakness and can be relieved by taking some iron therapy. And now coming on the diagnosis, the most of the cases are diagnosed clinically and on EEG, and sometimes we will conduct CT scans to determine any origin of the tumor in the brain. Treatment of this disease is according to prescription of your doctors. And those ladies who are pregnant and have epilepsy, they must continue their anticonvulsant therapy, but must take folic acid, vitamin K, and calcium and iron supplement to minimize the side effect of these anticonvulsant drugs. And lactating mothers can also feed their babies. Viewers, this is all about our epilepsy. And if you have any query or question, write in comment box. Until then, Allah Hafiz.